Ciao and welcome back to the series about Italian verbs, where you can learn the conjugation, pronunciation, and practical examples of the most important Italian verbs. I'm Beata from the Proficiency Consultant's Italian language series. Join me to learn and let's get started. Today, we will learn the verb sapere, which means to know. It's used to express knowledge, facts, or knowing how to do something. Let's start with its conjugation in the present tense. Repeat after me to practice the pronunciation. Io so. Tu sai. Lui sa. Lei sa. Noi sappiamo, voi sapete, loro sanno. Sapere is an irregular verb, so it doesn't follow the typical ere pattern. Make sure to practice these forms well. Now, let's see how to use sapere in everyday Italian. Repeat after me to practice. Io so parlare italiano. Tu sai dov'è il supermercato? Lui sa cucinare molto bene. Noi sappiamo la risposta. Voi sapete usare questo programma? Loro sanno tutto. As you can see, sapere is often used when talking about facts, information, or skills. To practice, try using sapere in a sentence about yourself. For example, io so nuotare. Feel free to share your sentence in the comments below. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to conjugate and use sapere in everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit my blog for more Italian language tips. Stay tuned for the next video about the Italian verb series. Ciao!